Hi, I'm Mimi Miller and I'm at C&J Beauty Supply in Inglewood, and I'm going to show you how to attach a lace front wig without adhesive. When you're choosing a wig, you first want to make sure that they have the proper attachments inside so that you won't have to use adhesive. 2 combs, sometimes they come with 2 combs, 4 combs, 5 combs. These are really good so when you attach it on, they'll stay in place. Also, this has an adjustable strap. And you can adjust it to the size of your head. And then there's another comb here, so it makes it really easy. So we're just going to take our lace front wig, starting at the nape. Make sure you have a stocking cap on or a mesh stocking cap that's breathable for your hair. Really nice. It'll keep it on steady. And you just put your lace front wig on. And because of the adjustable straps, and you have the combs inside, in case you don't want to wear your cap, that's important. And you just put it on, and there it is. Combs and the adjustable strap help you to keep it in place so you don't have to use adhesive for your lace front wig.